Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio in CapCut apps. Alright, it's so simple. I think this is for you guys who are using CapCut for the first time. So if you want to change the aspect ratio, you are just going to select ratio. Just select the ratio that you need. For example, this is a ratio for TikTok content, so it's 9 to 16. You can use both finger to resize your video. That's it. Or just select this for Instagram feed. You can use both fingers to resize your video. So this is for YouTube content and yeah, etc. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.